So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert any image in 3D on the Photos app of your iPhone. Now in order to do it, just simply open the Photos app and simply open the photo that you want to convert to the 3D version, and make sure that your battery saver is turned off if you want to do that particular thing. Now just simply on this top right corner you'll see something like option, something like this, that is spatial photo. Just simply tap on this option and here you'll see it will take some time analyze the image, and now you'll see the image is converted to the 3D version right there. Even though this image is clicked from a single lens, but it has optimized it and converted into a spatial scene. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.